Hi, and of course I couldn't make another video of the company, which is pretty much 200% in one day. It's Regencell Bioscience Holding. So the company operates as a traditional Chinese medicine bioscience company. Market cap is not so big. Snowflake analyze shows red. This is actually the pump and dump stock. Be careful. The shares are highly illiquid. There's a negative shareholder equity, and also they have less than 1 year of cash runaway. Finviz doesn't show anything of the companies. We find only in the Google. Basically, this is today's 231%. Actually, this is so you see the volatility in 5 days over 500%. Of course, this is a highly pump and dump stock. The investors, many of them lose money on just in this kind of cases, so be careful, as this is not even forecasted any price targets on any side, and latest share price and events, so they have nothing about news. Market performance, we see only 7-day return, basically based on previous day close, 117%. And I'm not sure why they entered the IPO, I guess back in 17, but this does not show the the longer frames, 1 year return, for example. That is why the volatility is showing lowest, since it doesn't have any relative volatility to the compared to average market. And of course, as the Snowflake analyze shows red, so there's not so many data to calculate any of these parameters. Future growth for the biotech and pharmaceutical industries forecasted over 14%. Unfortunate not for the company, and also the past year looks pretty red. Last year's earning growth decreased by 40%. Back in 2019, earnings were at minus 400,000 almost, and basically based on last earning date they have 850,000. Company is totally unprofitable. Financial health, this is actually a very serious situation where they have negative shareholder equity, also the high level of debt. Let's check the cash, 300,000, so that's not enough. Balance sheet looks on the liability side red. They're not paying dividends, and there was no insider transactions. And ownership breakdown, insiders holding 79%, general public 20%, and that is basically depending on when it's reported. So last reporting holding date 20th of July, basically 1 month ago. And yeah, unfortunately Finviz does not find any companies with the tracker code RGC. Simple Safe Dividend shows that shares outstanding are pretty much the same. Somehow they don't have any sales, and this is going up. Today's volume near 15 million at $48, which is worth 720 million. This is over 3 times its market cap. This is a trap to attract others to sell them high. Seems like it claims to be a traditional Chinese medicine company. It will go to 33, come on, 50. See, yeah, so actually there's no other comments than this. Should buy now 16. That was 5 days ago, I'm sorry. Anyway, somehow the investing.com summarized the stock for long-term investors as a buy, but this is very risky situation to invest in the company, which is basically triple itself in one single day. And yeah, be aware. Try to not put all your money in one stock, and try to diversify your investments to minimize the risks. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.